Cheers!
Okay, you don't need it. It's okay. I will eat it. And you like my food?
I have no choice, no?
Очень вкусные блинчики. Dangerous food?
Amazing, tasty,
Really nice.
beautiful.
Hi
Hi
everyone.
welcome to
Mike and Lera food channel.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today
We are having very delicious pancakes with
looks amazing anyway.
incredible delicious
And I'm
feeling.
starving as usual.
I forget already what's inside. It's very delicious pancakes with filling from chicken and bell pepper.
The full recipe is gonna be in the description below. Hope you guys are hungry.
We want to start already.
Let's dig in. We have another visitor here.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Okay, we will try.
Yeah, let's dig in.
Okay, don't need. It's okay. I will eat it.
I know.
Very tasty.
It's amazing. Very tender, very soft.
Pancakes with sweet filling or with non-sweet filling?
Me non-sweet.
I like all.
Like savory. I don't like sweet. Sweet thing though. A long time.
A long time.
Long time didn't see you
It's
guys.
okay that
Didn't see
it's,
our sarcasm. Didn't see.
Oily hands will be on this cup. It's okay.
Can give it tissue.
I don't need tissue. I need pancake.
And even the inside, the filling is so like juicy.
Yes, I like that it's not dry. Nice, juicy.
It's not dry. Pancake is not dry. Filling, nothing. It's not even crunchy. It's nice, like soft. I don't know. I like it like this.
You can make any filling inside.
It's like nice color, golden color. But sometimes it's not. I don't know. I think if it was dry, I wouldn't like it. I like this one.
Yeah, me too, I like, honestly. Very delicious. Tea with mint. I don't know. Маленькая девочка.
The new member of the family.
Yeah. No,
Eat with
new
us soon.
member will eat with us soon also pancakes. And you like my food?
Me? Yeah, I'm used to it. I have no choice, no?
Nice.
You like my food also, but you didn't see it.
Of course, but you don't cook. Okay, I'm joking.
I cook,
Just
but off the video. Should put it on the video next time. Not good. That's how thin it is, girl. Pancake itself.
Очень вкусные блинчики с начинкой. Все что угодно можно положить внутрь. Сегодня начинка просто отличная. Курочка, болгарский перчик, морковочка, лучок. Закачаешься. Очень вкусно. Попробуйте.
This is one of the dangerous foods that can be in the house.
Dangerous food?
Walk,
Grab.
grab, eat, walk, grab, eat.
Non-stop like this. You will the whole day. I'm happy. I'm full. Ha, ha. It was very delicious, guys.
Amazing, amazing, tasty,
Really nice.
beautiful.
We enjoyed.
I'm still enjoying it. I'm gonna finish the whole
You will
thing.
finish this all. Hope you like this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment as usual.
Yep. I'm sure you guys are gonna like this recipe. Just try it on. And we'll see you next time.
Bye!